I am Louis LaQuire, reporting from Tok, Alaska. This is the screencast for Unit 4. I will be comparing my collected data from the week of Monday, January 26th to Friday, January 30th. The NWS data collected is from Northway, Alaska. On this graph, my maximums and minimums are colored in black. My current temperature and the data from the NWS station are colored in red. On January 26th, Monday, my observation time was 12:04 p.m. It was negative 43 degrees Fahrenheit and 1025 millibars. There were clear skies, no wind, and smoke hung lazily in the air. It had a Beaufort level of 0. My second day is the 27th of January. Observation time, 1:13 p.m. Negative 39.5 degrees Fahrenheit and 1026 millibars. Skies are still clear with no wind, and there is a Beaufort number of 0. On day 3, Wednesday, January 28th, my observation time was 12:17 p.m. Negative 47 degrees Fahrenheit and 1035 millibars. Smoke settles lowly from stacks. Light wispy clouds high in the sky dissipate in the evening. The Beaufort level is 0. On day 4, the 29th, my observation time is 12:03 p.m. Negative 35 degrees Fahrenheit, 1038 millibars. Clouds can be seen coming in at in the distance to the northwest. There is a Beaufort level of 0. Day 5 is Friday, January 30th. Observation time, 12:54 p.m. Negative 12 degrees Fahrenheit, 1043 millibars. A dull gray blanket of clouds allows a reprieve from the cold. Very light snow falls from the sky, drifting aimlessly. A Beaufort level of 0. As you can see, there is a variance in my graph, where the maximum temperatures are lower by about 10 degrees than the maximum temperatures from Northway. I think there is a primary cause for this, and that is that the elevation of Northway is at 1,720 feet, while the elevation of my station is around 1,635 feet, for a difference of 85 feet. Since we know that cold air settles, that we can assume that my station would be colder than the Northway station. And if I swap over to another chart where I've increased my temperatures by 10 degrees, we can see that it actually matches the information gained in Northway. On this graph, my reported pressure is about 5 millibars in difference from the data collected in Northway. The largest distance is on Wednesday, where I report that the pressure shot up a lot more, while in Northway they have a dip in pressure that only catches up to my graph when it reaches Friday. I do not know why this is. It could be the distance between our stations is about 63 miles, so maybe they're reporting pressure after I am, and that could be a reason. But I am still skeptical. I'll be more diligent in looking at my barometer and making sure that my information is more spot on. Monday, January 26th, I recorded 1,025 millibars. Northway recorded 1,020 millibars. A high pressure system coming in from the northwest pushes out lower pressure, which contains warmer air over the Panhandle and the Aleutian Islands. On Tuesday, January 27th, I recorded 1,026 millibars of pressure, while Northway recorded 1,020 millibars of pressure. There were still clear skies on this day, just as in Monday. High pressure continues in from the west and forces itself over the northern and central regions of Alaska. Wednesday, January 28th. I recorded 1,035 millibars of pressure. Northway recorded 1,026 millibars of pressure. As you can see here, there is no cloud cover in this part of Alaska of where I live, and that led to clear skies and very low temperatures, as this is the day where I have the lowest temperatures on my graph. High pressure has settled into this region of Alaska and is held here by low pressures in the south and cold air funneling in from the west. Thursday, January 29th. I record 1,038 millibars of pressure, and Northway records 1,028 millibars of pressure. On this picture, we can see a weather front moving in from the west in Russia, and also a pressure exchange here in the southern area of Alaska. We can also see that there are slight snow clouds in this area, in the Tok area, which coincides with my previous information on my report that clouds had moved in to the area. Friday, January 30th. I have recorded 1,043 millibars of pressure. Northway has recorded 1,038 millibars of pressure. Despite the high pressures that loom over the state, cloud cover has allowed for temperatures to increase to where there is even snowfall on the north slope. This is all from my report, and thank you for watching.